Problem number 6. The sum of Kevin's age is 18. In 3 years, Kim will be twice as old as Kevin. What are their age now? So let A be let A is equals to Kim's age and let B is equals to Kevin's age. So our equation 1 is A plus B is equals to 18 because 18 is the age of Kevin and Kim's. And equation number 2 is A plus 3 is equals to 2 times B plus 3. So for the initial value of the A is A plus B is equals to 18. Then transpose the B at the right side of 18. So it will be negative B. So we have A plus A is equals to 18 minus B. So next, substitute the A. So we have A plus 3 is equals to 2 times B plus 3. So instead of A, it will become 18. So 18 minus B plus 3 is equals to 2 times B plus 3. Then we add 18 to 3. So 18 plus 3 is equals to 21. So we have negative B plus 21 is equals to 2B plus 6 because the 2B is from 2 times B is equals to 2B and 2 times 3 is equals to 6. So next is negative B minus 2B is equals to 6 minus 21. We transpose the B at the left side because they have the same variables. And 21 it will become negative because it will transpose it. We will transpose it. So we subtract negative B minus negative 2B is equals to 3B. Add rather. We add it because they have the same sign. So it will become 3B. And on the 6 minus 21 is equal, we will subtract it because positive to negative is negative, so we subtract it. So we have negative 3B is equals to negative 15. So we divide it. So cancel, and we have B is equals to 5 years old. So next, substitute B. And we have A plus B is equals to 18. And B will become 5. So we have A plus 5 is equals to 18. And we transpose the 5 at the left side. The right side rather. So we have A is equals to 18 minus 5. We subtract it and it will become 13. So we have A is equals to 13 and that is the answer on problem number 6. So we jump here at problem number 8 because problem number 7 has the same question at problem number 4. Oh, problem number 5 rather. So this is the problem number 8. Paula is now 18 years old and this college Monica is 14 years old. How many years ago was Paula twice as old as Monica? So let's X number of years ago. Paula is 18 years old and Monica is 14 years old. And this is the equation. 18 minus x is equals to 2 times 14 minus x. So 2 times 4, we will multiply the 2 inside the parentheses, the number and variables inside the parentheses. So so 18 minus x is equals to 28 minus 2x, because 2 times 14 is equals to 28 and 2 times negative x is equals to negative 2x. And we will move the have x variables at the left side. So x, so negative x plus 2x is equals to 28 minus 18. We will subtract it because the number has not the same sign. So x, so negative x minus 2x is equals to x, and 28 minus 18 is equals to 10. So the answer is x is equals to 10 years ago. So that is the final answer. So problem number 9. A girl is 1/3 as old as her brother and 8 years younger than her sister. The sum of their ages is 38 years. How old are how old is the girl? So let G is equals to girl's age, and let B is a brother's age, and let S is a sister age. So our equation number 1 is G is equals to 1/3, then B to B, and G is equals to S minus B. Then our third equation is girl plus boy plus sister, girl plus brothers plus sister is equals to 38 of years if we combine all their ages. So first we find the initial value of B and S. So we multiply both sides to 3. 3 3 times G is equals to 3G, and we cancel the 3 because the same, so will become B. Will become B. So we have 3G is equals to B, and it will be transposed to B is equals to 3G, and that is the initial value of V. And for the S is G is equals to S minus 8. So we will transpose the G at the right side of 8. So we have negative S is equals to negative 8 minus G. So it will become S is equals to 8 plus G, and that is the initial value of S. So let's substitute the A and S to the third equation to get the initial value of girl. So we have G plus B plus S is equals to 38. So G plus 3G, because B it will become 3G, and S plus 8 plus G is equals to 38. And all the same variables, and we will add it. So we have 5G. 5G plus 8 is equals to 38, and the 8 will be transposed at the right side of 38. So we have 5G is equals to 38 minus 8. Then we will subtract the 38 into 38. So we have 5G is equals to 30, and we will divide it. So 5G to 5 is equals to 5G over 5 is equals to 30 over 5. So cancel 5, and will become G, and the 30 will become 6. And we have, and the answer is G is equals to 6 years old. So we have problem number 10. This is a time problem or a clock problem rather. So at what time between 8 and 9 o'clock will the minute hand coincide with the hour hand? So our clock is at the upper left side of our table. So we have data is equals to 5.5 degree over per minute times time. So our constant is 5.5 degrees. So we have 8 hours times 30 degrees. So why 30 degrees? Because one rotation at the clock is equals to 360 degrees. And we divide it rather on 12. We divide 360 degrees on 12. So we and consider the reason that is 30. So 30, 360 degrees divide 12 is equals to 30 degrees. So that is the reason we that is 30. So we have is equals to 5.5 degrees per minute over per minute times time. Then we multiply 8 hours into 30 degrees. So we have 240 degrees. 240 degrees is equals to 5.5 degrees over per minute times time. So we will divide 240 degrees to 5.5 degrees to get the time. So 240 degrees divide 5.5 degrees is equals to 43.63. So the time is 43 minutes and 63 seconds is equals to 44 minutes and 3 seconds. So the answer is 8:44 o'clock. That is the answer at the problem number 10. So problem number 7. At what time after 12 noon will the hour hand and minute hand of the clock first form an angle of 120 degrees? So we have data is equals to 5.5 degrees per minute times time. So the data will be given, and so we have 1 times 120 degrees is equals to 5.5 degrees times time. So we will transpose it and it will become 5.5 degrees time and is equals to 120 degrees. So we will multiply both sides on 5.5 degrees. So cancel the 5.5 over 5.5 and is equals to 120 degrees over 5.5. So cancel, and the time is equals to 21.82. So we have 21 minutes and 82 seconds is equals to 22 minutes and 22 seconds. So the answer is 12:22 o'clock. That is the answer at problem number 11. So for the last problem number 12 is at what time after 3 o'clock will the hands of clock be together for the second time? So we have data is equals to 5.5 degrees per minute, and 4 hours. We use 4 hours because they said after 3 o'clock. So 4 hours times 30 degrees equals to 5.5 per minute. So we have 120 degrees because we multiply 4 and 4 to 30, so we get 120. So 120 degrees is equals to 5.5 degrees per minute times time. So we multiply again the 1 1 times 120 degrees is equals to 120. So we have 120 degrees is equals to 5.5 degrees time. Then we multiply both sides into 5.5 degrees and we will get to 21.82. So this will be 21 minutes and 82 seconds equals to 22 minutes and 22 seconds. So the answer here at problem number 12 is 4 4:22 o'clock. And that's it. Thank you.